When did COVID-19 start? I mean, I feel like every conversation I've had for my entire life has revolved around this of a virus. It's weird to think that as of mid-2022, COVID has only been around for less than 3 years. And it's even weirder that we can't exactly pin down when and where this monster first started to take over the world. Coronaviruses are a large family of viruses. They usually just cause the cold in people. The first time they were detected in humans was in 1965, and they got their name because scientists thought that the cells looked like crowns, apparently. A large number of coronaviruses infect animals like bats, and it's believed that COVID-19 might have jumped from one of those winged rodents. The World Health Organization first announced that they were tracking a strange coronavirus in China on the 9th of January 2020. And the first confirmed case of the virus in the US came on the 21st of January. But it's believed that the first human infection happened in November 2019, and some doctors in the UK have reported treating people with strange, unexplainable flu-like symptoms that Christmas. So it seems likely that COVID-19 had started creeping its way around the world much sooner than anyone thought. But when isn't the only mystery. Where COVID came from is a big question mark. At first, the virus was linked to a market in Wuhan, China, that sold bat meat. But then people noticed that the Chinese government were running a biological weapons lab in the same area. Now, current analysis suggests that the virus isn't man-made, but some believe that the lab may have found it in bats and were experimenting on it when they fumbled it. Like, oops? Since the beginning of the pandemic, more than 6 million deaths have been attributed to COVID. We now have no choice but to live with this virus, so that number is only going to go up. If you have a quick science question that you want answering, please leave a comment, and check out our other stuff. We do longer, less disembodied videos as well.